Therefore, if you ask what the fate of those who cannot afford to pay the price is, they look for excuses. We must seek refuge in the Almighty from being among such a group to Allah the Mighty and Majestic. May He distance from us whatever share we have in this, to be able to speak the truth because it is the truth. First to one's family, then to one's surroundings, because a person is first tested with those they love. Losing them, that is, losing their children, losing their spouse, their loved ones with this belief, this thought, this idea. If I say this ruling of Allah the Mighty and Majestic in their presence, they will declare me as such and such, and then at best it is called concealment. Therefore, by suppressing our feelings, we lose our true selves. As a society, by constantly waiting for the right moment to speak the truth and reality, if there is a deliberate process management aimed at reform. I am not referring to that, but if the process management stems from cowardice, from the fear of losing personal interests, then this is indeed a disaster.